The large intestine, also known as the large bowel, is made up of two main parts, the colon and the rectum. The colon receives digestive waste from the small intestine and gradually forms stool, which is then moved toward the anus through the rectum. A colonoscopy is a medical procedure used to examine the inside lining of the colon and rectum. Doctors perform this procedure using a colonoscopy, which is a long, flexible tube equipped with a light and a tiny camera. The colonoscopy is carefully inserted through the anus and guided through the rectum and colon. This allows the doctor to inspect the entire colon and rectum, as well as the lower portion of the small intestine. Before the procedure begins, patients are typically given a sedative and pain medication to help them stay comfortable and relaxed. During the colonoscopy, you will lie on your side with your knees pulled toward your chest. The colonoscopy is then gently inserted into the anus and slowly advanced through the colon. Air is introduced into the colon to expand it slightly, giving the doctor a clearer view of the intestinal lining. As the scope moves through the colon, you may feel mild cramping, pressure, or the urge to have a bowel movement. These sensations are temporary. The doctor carefully examines the full length of the colon while live images are displayed on an external monitor. If necessary, small tissue samples can be collected for biopsy using tiny instruments passed through the scope. Polyps, which are abnormal growths inside the colon, can also be removed during the procedure. Once the examination is complete, the colonoscopy is slowly withdrawn and the area is cleaned.